Done properly, heading can be a useful asset to your soccer game. Here's how to head the ball. First things first, heading is only appropriate for players 11 and up, and always consult your league safety guidelines and rules first. When it comes to heading, it helps to start small, with gentle tosses before working up to jumping. Begin by showing players the correct position to make contact with the ball, between the middle and top of the forehead, just below the hairline. Then the motion. Think of it as attacking the ball, not letting the ball attack you. Arch the back and thrust the torso forward from the hips with as little neck movement as possible, using the arms to add momentum, like that. Then follow through to your target. It's tempting to close your eyes, but try to keep them open to look upward to track the ball. Close the eyes, and you might make contact too high or with the nose. Ouch! Let us slow it down for you. Head up to watch the ball, attack with the forehead, thrust from the hips. Then follow through and watch it fly.